Looks like there was a bit of snow this night. My car looks very snowy, snowed in. So maybe have a look outside. Oh shit! Oh, what a beautiful day! That looks like something. Well parked. Well parked. Okay, putting a glove one-handed on is a difficult task. Okay, that's better. Oh. Yeah, that's a lot of snow. More than I expected. Looks like there's more coming from the sky. This here looks like a fish slaughterhouse. Poor fishes. I'm actually surprised that the seagulls don't swarm in and eat the fish. Maybe the fish is a bit too big. Yeah. I don't know where the weather is going right now, so I was thinking I just stay here at this place. It's Reine, the little village Reine, very popular, and you get an awesome view over the village, over the ocean. It's very easy here. It's definitely not a burden like climbing the Reinebringen, but I'm still really hyped for Reinebringen. I need to get there. I need to get there. I'm back at A to get some drinking water because all my bottles are empty by now. I didn't refill in a while. And on Lofoten it's difficult to find a water source once everything is frozen. But I saw at A there's a super big lake, and just right there is a little section with running water. So we'll try my luck there. Hopefully I don't break in the ice nearby. That would be shitty, but it's not as deep here, I think. So I won't drown at least. Let's see. I'm glad I have the glove, otherwise that would be super cold. Okay. There are also no public toilets around here. At least not that I've seen. They're all closed all the time. Let's see how this one tastes.
Maybe some strawberry, passion fruit, and oh, there's just like the faintest soupçon of like asparagus, and there's just a flutter of like a nutty Edam cheese. Wow.
It's a shame that the public toilets are closed in winter. Well, I guess that means less work for the maintenance. Jesus! Stop! Okay. Okay, back at Reine, and it looks amazing. The weather is super awesome right now. I mean, just look at it. I step out.
Wow.
Isn't that something? That view is amazing. The water is really calm right now, so that makes for a perfect reflection of the mountain, which is really, really awesome. Okay, now it's quite late already. There are no more sun rays on the peaks of the mountains, which is too bad, but it's kind of expected. As the sun nears the horizon, and there are other peaks blocking the sun, I think, and maybe clouds. But check the clouds behind me, they're crazy. Alright, anyway, I think that's the end of the vlog. Unfortunately, not too much action. I think sunrise might have more in store for this specific location. I hope you liked it. If you didn't like, again, press the dislike button.
Don't be
Yeah.
shy. Really get your nose right in there, really.